All right. Welcome to episode number 21 and week 15. So today, as I told you guys yesterday, today we are going to do some of the crack map exe, and we are also going to configure the GitHub repository installation, some of the tools from the GitHub repository. We are going to install it, and let's wait for a few minutes to join other people as well, and we will get it started. Okay, let me tell you what time. It's 11:09. We will start it around 11:15. Okay. All right. So and if you are, if you want to get the Active Directory Pentest with the Kali Linux, so there is a Udemy course that I published. I put the promo code 100% discount in the chat section. Go ahead and get it, okay? Let me put the Discord as well. Let me click on edit. Never generate copy. All right, so let's wait for a few more minutes. All right, so let's wait for a few more minutes to connect other people as well. So, and then I will get it started. So today I'm gonna show you how you can install the crack map exe and how you can use that crack map exe to the domain controller, and how you can get the access to the domain controller. And we will get continuous starting with the crack map exe, and we will get started with the we will win rm, all those fun stuff. Okay. And yesterday we did the bloodhound. So in the bloodhound we pretty much did like a couple of things yesterday, and we found the shortest path for the admin throughout the user account, and we were able to successfully get the user information and the SID, and then the other information that are related to the user. So all right, so let's wait for a few more minutes. All right, so do you have referral code for anything to get some? No, I don't have anything, unfortunately. Yeah. So if you want any code from my course, I can provide to you, but I cannot provide any other course for that. So sorry about that. Okay, let's get started. So 11:15, and let's go ahead and get started. So for the first thing, for the crack map, if you want to use the crack map, is you need the internet first, and once you have internet, you can do crack map exec, and you can do GitHub. Okay, so once you do the GitHub, there will be the first link, it populate, and you can do open that up. And once you open that up, you can go here, and I mean, this is still activated. No problem. Thank you so much for joining the session. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and share this live to other people as well, so that will help. Okay. And then this is a crack map exe from the GitHub repository. But however, in the Kali Linux nowadays, crack map exe is installed by default, so you don't have to necessarily install it. But however, I'm gonna show you and put that in the link, this link in the chat section as well. So if you want it, you can do. So and then other thing you want to install it, you can click on that, click on code, and you can hold on. Okay, it's not responding. Hold on. Okay, so click on code, and once you click on code, there will be https colon, and you can minimize this. And I am gonna use this as the so crack map. So you have to do get clone, and you need to paste the link. Okay, so once you do that, let me go ahead and exit this one, and exit this one. Okay, so now you can do is the first thing you have to do is, let me close this out, let me close this out as well. Wait for this one. So and then because I already installed, I already downloaded for the crack map exe, and also I told you, right, it is installed. And if you want to clone it, you can always get cloned by this way, and it is cloning. And if you go back here, so this will be, if you need to install it. Okay, so if you want to install it, you can click on the wiki official installation, and there's installation for the official wiki, and you have to click on that. So let's go back. And okay, so So let's see if there's something. Okay, so here we go. So boy, where is it? Let's click on the wiki here. So if there is something, okay, so if not, then that's okay. We will go ahead and install it. So if you want to install it, you have to go inside the crackmap.exe and you have to ls, and there is the the installation file, so which is a make file. You have to install that also, and they're like a collector.py, and this is the specification that you need to install it, and there's the make files, right? So this is the make file where you need to install the make file, and then make sure that you install the make file and go ahead and get it started. Okay, but however, it is already installed. I'm not gonna waste that time there. So, and I will do the first thing here will be my first thing to the crackmap.exe is the sorry, one thing here. So first thing is crackmap.exe, and remember we do have the SMB that I already scanned for the net and nmap. So nmap is the tools where it is to find the port, or is open or block or whatever case may be, right? So that's what I ran, and I was able to get the information from that, right? So if you see, there are like a lot of information that I found, and that's what I'm relying on the SMB right now. Okay, so if you go that, and you can do SMB, and once you do SMB, I am gonna go to my user file. User file is 104. that U is the test1, because I do have test1 password. So if you don't know how I get that, I was able to get from this one hash file. So if you see, this was the hash that and I was able to crack that here. So that's how I was able to get that. And then they remove this, and once I do that to 104, just make sure that PC3 is my 104, and make sure that it is pingable before I hit enter. Okay, ping 104. So as soon as you see response, you have to exit that, and you have to hit enter. And once we see the pawn, so I will able to run some of the commands that I needed. Okay, so, and there are like a few things I need to do it before doing that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to, if you're watching this one right now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share this live to other people as well, so they will get advantage of this free live session. And the if you haven't joined the Discord channel as well, go ahead and join the Discord channel, and that will help to other people, and you get also advantage for the discussion there as well. Okay, so now once I see that information, the second thing what I have to do is I can run few things here. So if you want to run that, I will do --share. Okay, sure. So crackmap.exe, and then SMB is the protocol that we are using currently, and this is the IP address for the PC3, and then username and password, and I am running for the shares. Okay, share anything that shares from that computer, we'll see it. So for example, if I run this, if you see the share, so there's the hidden share, and this is the $C hidden share. This is the hacking, is one of the folder that is read and write access for the test one, and there is a user. So user necessarily we don't have to, but we can definitely double check on that as well. and then but I'm more interested on the hacking, right? So if there's something, if you want to say, for example, if you need to run any commands, you can do the commands as well. So for example, if I need to remove this, and let's do who am I? Okay, so if you see, I was able to run this, and now what I can do is dir, and let's go inside this folder. Okay, so c // and hacking. So let's see what will be there. Okay, there we go. So now you are seeing a lot of stuff here. So the one thing I am interested is, maybe, who knows, right? We need to run some of the tools here, and that might be helpful. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so maybe test one. Okay, so let's try one thing. If I do dir, let's say type. Yeah, but let's see. I don't think this will work, but test.txt. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. So type is the tools for the Windows. It will give you the visibility and the context inside that file. That will, anything that is interested or anything, you can find that as well. So for example, if you need to do type, and if you want to run grep password, so I don't know, maybe this will work or not, but definitely worth it to check. And grep is not recognized, right? So that's okay, that's fine. And the other thing I can show you is the because I can go inside that folder and grab that file if you want it. That's really up to you if you want it. And if I need to see who am I, and then the group, so I can do the groups as well, groups, and that will give you the groups inside that computer itself. Okay, so definitely that will be worth it. So and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will happy to answer those questions if you have it. All right. Okay, so the other thing I want to show you is the this is the group, and I can also do the IP config. So let's see, IP config. So we're not running the IF config, because it is IP config for the Windows. So just keep in mind that, and you will get the IP address for that as well. So this is the, as long as we are able to, inject this information, and we can execute the command here. So there's like a lot of things you can do it. You can do /all as well. So if you need more information related to the IP config, so you can see the DHCP, IPv6, and the DHCP is enabled, all those details. And then you can do IP config -ARP, I believe. ARP, sorry. ARP. So ARP is more like, it will give you the information about the ARP, Mac ARP. Okay. Release, renew, if there is something interesting. Let's see. Maybe we can remove that and do it this. Okay, so it doesn't like, so display pawn to this address, ARP-A, listed as A. Okay, there we go. And so if you see right here, basically you can run a lot of things here. So and you can do internet address. This is the physical address that are here, and then this is the domain control IP. This is my CalDNS IP, and this is my default IP that are for the static. Okay, so yep. And what else you want to run, guys? Let me know in the comment if you have any questions. I am happy to answer them. And we can also do one thing. So we can do one thing here. So all profile. So let me copy that here. So let's do this and paste it here. So this is the same command, but we are just doing the net sh, and this is the firewall, so the advanced firewall, all profile. So basically I'm going to show you all the profile that are inside the advanced firewall. Okay, so let me go ahead and remove that extra space and hit enter. So you'll see a few things here. Okay, there we go. And you'll see something with the OK command here. And if you see, the public profile settings is on, and then the private profile is off, and the domain profile is also off. Okay, so that's how you can do back and forth connections to the command. Okay, and I mean, you can do a lot of things here. Even though if you are looking for any kinds of files, you can run, and you can do a lot of things related to the graph-map.exe. So if you want to learn about more things, you can do graph-map.exe, GitHub, or cheat sheet. Okay, so you can do that cheat sheet, and that could be interesting something. So let's open that up, and we can do, this is the CME, is the old version, so you can remove that as well. So basically these are the protocol that I'm currently using. So you can use SSH, LDAP, RDAP, or anything that you wanted. And if you want to use any kinds of list, you can do that as well. So okay, there we go. So you can also do no brute force. So let's see. Let me do that. Remove that X from here, and you can do no brute force, and this will be no brute force. We'll only test one password per user, line by line. Okay, so that means if there is any password, if you feel using the username and password, this will be, for example, if you want that user shared word list and IP sec list, and where is it? That is the example password, maybe. Whether a password and custom password that I have. And also you can do -u, and -u will be uppercase, and you can remove that. And the user share word list, second list, and user custom password text. So basically I do have the you can do this one as well. So before I run that, so let me do graph map map exec -h. So we can do that, and you'll see a lot of options here. So let's do one thing. Is these are the protocol that we discussed earlier, and you can do is grab map, and this will be this, and what else? The passwords. Files, that password, time. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, and hit enter. So brute force is one brute force you. Okay, and let's wait to that. Okay, so let's do that's P and that's U, and let's see. All right, so now you'll see password 1 2 status expire. So 1 2 3 4 doesn't work. So I mean, you can definitely do this one, removing, but I don't recommend to run without no brute force, because sometimes, you know, like if you see right here, admin 1 2 3 4 is pawn. So sometimes it is a help, because maybe, you know, if there's a firewall, they're like, it doesn't like it. If there's a, you know, some sort of the connection, the firewall block connection, because there might be something, you know, like bulk. If you try to do bulk, it may not, you know, like it. So sometimes, you know, like it is very important. So let me go ahead and copy this and paste it to my note section, and we'll see that if that works later on. So 1 2 3 4. So and that's how you can try different things. The other thing I want to show you is okay, so let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. So you can do this. You can do dir c and user. So c users, and that would be test1, because we are checking the profile for test1. So comma, close, and we'll see. Okay, so now I can go inside the desktop. So let's see. Let's go to desktop. All right, so if there is any desktop, interesting fact. Okay, there is a has and target user. So now you can do user.txt, and remember I mentioned you about the type. If you are using type command, you need to, or if you want to use the cat command in the Linux, this is kind of type, and you can hit enter. So let's see if there's any interesting facts. Okay, so user is this, and the password is this. Okay, so that means we can do base, I mean this, I don't know, maybe this is base 64, but we can do echo base 64 and remove this and copy this and paste it here. So echo is the echo structure for that, and that will be changed for the base 64. Base 64 is the, you know, by default installation for the Kali machine. So, and then D is decrypt. Okay, so hit enter. Okay, so it says the invalid user input. Right, so let's see. Echo. Okay, so that's fine. 51. That's okay. So next one we can try. If not, then we can do has one. So let's see. Okay. Yeah. So I think that is the has, I believe. Yeah, this is the NTLM v2 hash, so I think we already cracked this one. All right. All right, guys. Today I will only do for 30-minute sessions, so I will do 1.5 hour sessions next week. So next week will be Saturday 10 a.m. So you can start joining from there. And if you are building your career in cybersecurity, you can get the free discount code for the Udemy course that I published recently. So you can take the advantage of the that code. Definitely that will help you. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next sessions, and we'll dig down more into that. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you coming Saturday 10 a.m. Okay, thank you so much for joining, and have a great